So students, today we are going to learn about the standard and usual form. Before going to the topic, let us know what is standard form and what is usual form. First thing, usual form. The usual form of a number is the number itself. That means the number which is being used to count, the number which we are using in our daily life, like 0.5, 70, 1000, 5460, 0.000097, etc. All of these numbers can be in any form. It may be in general form, it may be in decimal form, doesn't matter. Second one, standard form. What is standard form? Otherwise known as k into 10 to the power n form. As you can see, k is one number, 10 to the power n number is some number to the power of 10. For example, we can take 2 into 10 to the power 6, 0.007 10 to the power minus 3, etc. These numbers are said to be in standard form. So in standard form, there must be one number and another one in the power of 3. Now question arises, how to change usual form to standard form? For this, we have to follow some rules. First one, when decimal point moves towards right, the power decreases. Rule number 2, when decimal point moves towards left, power increases. Here the term power indicates the power of 10. That means if we are moving towards our right from the decimal point, the power on 10 will be decreased. So we have to subtract the power. Secondly, if we are moving from the decimal point towards our left, the power of 10 must increase. That means we have to add the powers. Let us solve some examples to know how it works. Question is 23.56 into 10 to the power 3, which will become 235 into 235.6 into 10 to the power dash. For this, we have to take care of where the point is and where it is moving. Look, the point was before 3, now it is moving to the space between 5 and 6. So how many steps it moved? It moved one step towards right. Towards right means power will decrease, we have to subtract. It moved one place, so we subtract 1 from the previous power. 3 minus 1 becomes 2. Since the new power is 2, we can write 235.6 into 10 to the power 2. Again, another one, 245.6 into 10 to the power 6, which will become 2.456 into 10 to the power dash. Similar process, we have to take care of the point, and just we need to know how many places the point is moving and in which direction. First thing, the number was 245.6. The decimal point is in between 5 and 6. The decimal point will now move towards left. How many steps? 2 steps to make it 2.456. Since it moved 2 steps towards left, the power will increase. Therefore, we will add previous power as 6, 2 added becomes 8. So new power is 10 to the power 8. Now comes the process of standard form. Here is the number. Our target is to make it a standard form. There is nothing multiplied here, so it is 10 to the power 0. As you know, any number to the power 0 is 1. So in place of 1, we can write 10 to the power 0. Now, let us see. This number will become 7.6 if we make it in standard form. Let us see how it happens. So previously the point was before after the first 0. Now it is moving towards the space between 7 and 6 because our target number is 7.6. So what we have to do, we have to put the point in between 7 and 6 so that it can become 7.6. All the zeros before 7 will valueless. But how many steps it moved? It moved 7 steps to right. Since it moved 7 steps to right, we have to add the power. Sorry, subtract the power. That means previously it was 0, 0 minus 7, which becomes minus 7. So now the power becomes 10 to the power minus 7. And basing on this, the resultant number in standard form will become 7.6 into 10 to the power 7. Remember the process. We have moved to right. The decimal point moved 7 steps. Therefore, we have to subtract 7 from the previous power. Previous power is 0. 0 minus 7 is minus 7. Therefore, the number in standard form becomes 7.6 into 10 to the power minus 7. Let us wind up. Rule number 1. If decimal point moves to right, power decreases. Rule number 2. If decimal point moves to left, power increases. In the first case, we have to subtract the number of places from the power. In the second case, we have to add the same. This is all.